Hello friends, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now if you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. In today's video, I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled the Summer Lantern Challenge, and it is hosted by none other than Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, if you haven't heard of Kenya's channel, I'll have a link to her channel along with the playlist when it becomes available. Now, all Kenya asked us to do was to decorate our lanterns for the summer. So here we go. Now please don't forget to click the playlist down below to view the other participants in this collaboration. I'm sure you will enjoy their videos as much as I will. And also don't forget to leave me a comment down below. You know I love to read your comments. Now the purple and eggplant ribbon came from Etsy. And of course the tricycle with the flower basket was from Amazon. And this word summer, I ordered it off this site. I'll try to remember to include the link down below, but I had to paint it white. And then the gold plate came from Amazon a while back. The wooden beads, they were from Amazon as well. And then I ordered this vine with the purple and lavender roses on it. That came from Amazon. I think that is really pretty. And then the purple candle came from Amazon as well. I think all the colors kind of twine together. I really like that. Here's an overall look of the summer lantern. I really do like that eggplant color in the ribbon. I think it's very pretty. Now here is my Hello lantern. It's basically decorated the same as the summer, but I want to share with you both settings. If you want to explore more, why don't you click on one of these videos I have listed here.